This is the easiest way to create stickman animation videos completely free with zero cost. These videos are so fun to watch, and now you can recreate them and post them on TikTok, Instagram, or even here on YouTube. And the craziest part is the amount of views they pull in. For instance, look at this channel and observe its growth. It has accumulated billions of views and built an audience of over 700,000 subscribers over time, demonstrating the massive potential of this format. This other channel, Rico Animations, is one of the original creators in the stickman animation space. Over the years, they've grown to more than 12 million subscribers and are clearly doing extremely well. And the exciting part? This niche still has very little competition, which means if you jump in now, it'll be much easier to build your own audience.
We're going to create this using completely free AI tools, and the best part is that this niche is also highly monetizable. First, we're going to start with ChatGPT. Once you open it up, we'll use the ready-made prompt I created for this video. If you want it, just leave a comment and I'll send it to you. Next, head over to Google Docs to copy the prompt, and make sure you copy everything so you don't miss any important detail. Then come back to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will process your prompt, and in a few seconds, it'll give you a list of 10 different topics and ideas you can build your video around. All you need to do is pick one. I'm going with topic number 6. Go ahead and type in 6, then hit generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will respond with a prompt that looks like this. It includes both the image generation and animation prompts for each video clip, and it even comes with a voiceover script too. Once that's done, copy the first image generation prompt. I've already included a reference image in the Google Doc, so make sure you grab that too. Then open up another chatbot. I'm using ChatGPT again to generate my images. Upload the reference image into the chatbot, paste in your first image generation prompt, and then hit generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a high-quality image just like this based on the prompt you provided. Then you simply repeat the same process a few more times until you have all the images you need, depending on how many your video requires. We're going to repeat the same process for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th images we need for this video. Just copy your prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and you don't need to upload the reference image again since it's already been added. It'll keep using it throughout the whole image generation process. This process is really simple. Just copy your prompt, paste it in, hit generate, and keep repeating that until all your images are ready. Once the 6 images for this video clip are done, download all of them, make sure they're saved properly, and then we'll move on to the next stage, the animation. Now we're going to head over to Grok. Once you're there, switch to the Imaging tab. That's where we'll generate the video animations using the images we just created. Then move to the Video tab so you can choose your aspect ratio. I'm using 9:16, and you can also set the duration of your clip. I'm going with 6 seconds for each one. After that, upload the first image we generated. Then head over to ChatGPT, copy the first video animation prompt, come back to Grok, paste it in, and hit generate. In a few seconds, Grok will process everything and give you a video that looks like this. You can see how smooth it is. No distortions, no weird mistakes. Then just repeat the same process a few more times to create the rest of the clips you need for the full video. Go ahead and download that video, then upload the second image we created. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the second animation prompt, come back, paste it in, and in a few seconds, you'll get a result that looks like this. Then just repeat the same process for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th images. By the time you're done, you'll have your full video completely animated, all for free. Now for the voiceover. Head back to ChatGPT and scroll up until you find the voiceover script. Copy it. I'd recommend pasting it into a separate document so it's easier to grab and use on whatever platform you're generating your voice from. For me, I'm using noise.ai, which is completely free. You get 2,000 credits every day and you can keep using it daily. Now let's get started. Once you're on noise.ai, you'll notice it has a bunch of different features. You can add expression to your voiceover, and you also get to choose from a wide range of voices, male, female, over 30 options. Personally, I like using one called The Observer because it sounds calm and kind of historic. After you pick your voice, paste in your script and hit speak. It'll take about 20 seconds or so, and then you'll get a voiceover that sounds like this.
You want big success, big money, big results. But every time you think about starting, it feels overwhelming.
And that's it. Your voiceover is ready. Now we're at the final step. For this part, I'll be using CapCut, but you can go with any editing tool you're comfortable with. CapCut just happens to be my choice. Now that you're in CapCut, import all the video clips along with the voiceover you just created. I'd recommend saving everything in the same folder beforehand so it's easier to find and stay organized. Once that's done, drag each clip into the timeline just like I'm doing here. Start with clip 1 and place them in order so everything lines up with your voiceover. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, clip 4, then clips 5 and 6. Make sure everything flows properly. If you need to speed things up or trim any extra parts, go ahead and do that. You can also add text overlays if you'd like, but I'm skipping that part. After that, add your background music if you have one. Just import it and place it in the timeline. Finally, play the whole video through to make sure everything blends smoothly. And that's it. Export your video. This is your final result.
But before you go, if you enjoy free AI tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.
You want big success, big money, big results. But every time you think about starting, it feels overwhelming. What if the problem isn't your goal, but how big you're trying to start? Big change doesn't start big, it starts small. 1 page, 1 push-up, 1 minute. When you repeat small actions daily, something powerful happens. Small habits build momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds results. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start small. Stay consistent and let small habits change your life.